NewVegas. It's also really freaking fun. And so many caps I have, 1 million plus. I got a special, really rare Go Campaign Sniper Rifle. Found it by myself. No help. Epster, available content. And infinite ammo. Problem? Or not a problem. Let's find out. Let me get my laser detonator. Infinite ammo. Problem? No problem. Fallout NewVegas is infinite ammo bad or good? Please comment on the below page, and I'll show you guys more glitches. But please subscribe and enjoy my video. Yeah, say again. Come on, say it one more time. Come on, say it again. Come on, say it again. Say it again. Fine, don't say it again. You're gonna get nuked. I'm not afraid to nuke you. Yeah, let's shoot a timed explosive at her. Let's see how. Uh-oh. That didn't go very well. Let's say she died. Nope. Throw that right there, inside the car. Nope. Man, this thing's stubborn and it's hard. Yes, got her. She said, no! Die, bitch, die. Alright, but this is how you do it. First, get out the weapon that you want, get ammunition that you want. Let's say I wanted more 25mm gunrunner's assault. Let's say I wanted more 25, so I select it. Hotkey, good ammunition. Go up to 25mm. And then I hotkey it. And let's say I wanted some plasma. Hotkey that. And what the heck, how do we just put plasma grenade right there? Okay, it didn't let go. So you can't do it. You can't hotkey. And make sure you have a laser. Okay, see? That's the laser designator that I used for all those nukes. Do that right there. Never runs out. Get the hotkey the ammo that you want. Plasma. And people are shooting at me. Let's take care of them. Okay, what should I do? Oh yeah. Yeah, let's see where they're shooting me from. Oh, there they are. Yeah, they're all dead. Oh, wait, no. Okay, now they're all dead. But, yeah, let's get that timed. Oh, snap, wrong. Oh, snap. I'm dead. Oh, I thought I was dead. Sometimes it doesn't do it. What the Whoa! And yes, I can make fireworks. Or artillery guns. So some artillery guns. And high explosive. Get rid of these. Shoot a lot of them, and let's see what happens. Ah, snap. Too many. As you guys can tell, I have infinite ammo. Yeah, those are tiny tots, the TT's tiny tots. Watch. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't want to do, sometimes it does. But don't fire too many of these like this. Where that's going to happen. Like this. Well, if you don't fire too many like this. Or you're going to be screwed. Like that. You're going to be screwed like that. It's not good to be screwed. But, follow those tips. You'll get infinite ammo. So please comment, subscribe, and I'll be putting more glitches on there. So yeah, that's one really cool glitch. Like, Big Kid. Super-powered mini nuke. And that's the glitch.